Hey guys, it's Izzy, and today I decided to hop on a TikTok trend that I've been really obsessed with lately, and that is the Euphoria makeup TikTok trend. So I'm super excited to do this look. I bought some new fun makeup things to play around with, like gemstones and even some face paint. So we're going to see how all of that works out in this video. So if you want to see me possibly succeed, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow as usual. So I actually already applied a little bit of concealer because my bags were really not good this morning and really didn't want it to be in the video. That's how bad they were. But I am going to put on more concealer. I am using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Medium Peach. And I am going to put more on because I want this to be very white so that the pigments of the eyeshadows really shine through and you just get a really vibrant, beautiful eyeshadow look. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender because I find that putting it on with a brush is a little bit tedious and kind of gets a little lumpy when I don't want it to be lumpy or chunky or anything in that realm, because I want the eyeshadow to look good. Duh. Okay, let's move on. Let's move forward. Forward. Keep moving forward. What's the commercial? Fancy feast. Keep moving forward. Break me off a piece of that fancy feast.
It's got to rhyme with peace. Fancy feast.
Break me off a piece of that
fancy feast. It's a cat food. Nailed it.
So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. It's really beautiful. I'm going to show you guys the colors up close. Look at that shimmer. Wow, wow, wowie, wow. Super excited. Love using this palette. The colors show up really well and they're super vibrant, and I overall really recommend this palette. So I'm going to go in with the light purple color in this corner. Okay, I'm just going to dab it on this flat brush. Don't want to get too much, and I'm just going to start creating the shape of my eyeshadow. So I'm just going a little bit above my crease and in my crease to kind of start to create the base for a nice cut crease. It's gonna look messy before it looks good. Like, it's going to get worse before it gets better. So please bear with me. It also doesn't matter if this part gets a little sloppy because we're going to go back in with a concealer and clean it all up. Make sure you bring the eyeshadow above your crease, because once you do the cut crease, you're going to be taking away a lot of the eyeshadow. So you want there to be eyeshadow above your crease so that, you know, when you do put the concealer on, it doesn't take off all the eyeshadow and then it looks like you did nothing, because then what would be the point of doing all this in the first place? I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller brush, but it's a little bit fluffier, and I'm going to go for this color right here. It's a slightly darker purple, and I'm just going to apply that on top of this purple to increase the drama, you know, to make it have a little bit more depth. And now with the same brush, I'm going to go in with this dark purple right over here on my right side and your left. And I'm going to apply that to this crease area to really bring in that depth. optional step, but if I were you, I would do it. I'm going to go back in with the lightest purple I used with a fluffy, soft brush, and I'm just going to slightly go over the eyeshadow just to blend all the colors out. Okay, so that's the rough basis for my eyeshadow. I look crazy right now, but I promise it's going to get better. Oh, also, if you were wondering what this is in the background, you probably weren't, but if you were, they are blueberries, in case I get hungry, because when I get hungry, I get hangry. So I thought, best to have a mid-makeup snack, you know? Am I the only one that does this, or I don't know. Comment down below if you do the same thing, and let me know your favorite mid-makeup snack. Or maybe some mid-makeup snack hacks. Yeah, I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna go back to the makeup, the thing I'm actually good at. Kind of. And I'm going to go back in with the same e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to start drawing Le Cut Crease. I'm going to start in my inner corner, and I'm just going to follow my crease, and then when I get to about this part, I'm going to go a little bit above my crease just to create the illusion of a bigger eye, just that I have more eyelid space than I actually do. Because it just balances out the look. That's why. So here we go. Sometimes I like to hold it like this and look straight so that it doesn't get wrinkled with my eyelid creases. You can already see how that's already cleaned up the look tremendously. And now I'm going to go in with a thicker brush, a bigger brush, and I'm going to paint over the rest of my eyelid. So now that you have this cut crease, you can go back in with the Huda Beauty palette. And I'm going to use this shimmery color at the bottom. And I'm just going to apply it to my entire eyelid. So I'm actually going to go back in I'm going to go back in one more time with a different angled brush than the one I used to cut the crease. And I'm going to go back in with the darkest purple, and I'm just going to outline the cut crease and deepen it a little bit to create that depth again, because I think I lost it a little bit. Going in with this color purple in this bottom left corner, your right, and I'm just going to apply that under my lash line. in with an angled brush, and I'm going to go back in with the same purple. So that's that part. Ooh, that's fun. And now I'm going to use these little rhinestones that I got off of Amazon, and hopefully the lash glue holds the rhinestones. I didn't know how else to glue it onto my face, but I feel like even that's a bad idea. These are so hard. How do people do this? Oh. Okay, I lost one. How do people do this? I don't understand. Oh, do I put the lash glue on first? Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that. Oh my god, it worked! I lost another one. Oops. Oh. My hands are getting really sweaty. This is making me really anxious. Oh my god, the lash glue is drying on my face and I can't. Oh my god, it's too slippery. How did that work? How did that work? How did that work? How is this working? Oh my god, stop being so difficult. I didn't think this through, and I don't know how I'm gonna put on face makeup after putting glitter on my gemstones on my face. So I'm just gonna do like light foundation right now and just quickly like run through the look, because I don't think it really needs much else besides lashes, obviously, and some contouring, and I think that should be good. Pretty sure I'm eating makeup right now. Okay, now I'm gonna do lashes. So first I'm gonna coat my lashes with this Superhero Lash by It Cosmetics. This is my Euphoria look. Okay, so this is the final look. My eyelashes may be coming off because my eyes are watering super badly, because this is the 4th makeup look I've done today. Don't ask why. TikTok. TikTok made me do it. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial. I know I had so much fun making it, and if there are any other TikTok trends or makeup looks you'd like to see from me, please leave a comment below. And if you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more of my content, go over and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.